Totoo talaga. Every day is a blessing because being able to witness all this beautiful creation around you will make you feel blessed and special. That even in my midlife, I can still express my creativity, inspire other people, and spread good vibes. Usually, it's the simple things that makes us happy, and we don't even realize the value of the free things in life. It is time to appreciate the beauty of nature around us, the grass, the trees, the flowers, and the air we breathe. If we notice these things around us, we are very lucky. We are very lucky to witness God's creation at its best. Our life flows like the river. We don't know where it will lead us. Sometimes it's quiet. Sometimes it's rigid. But still, we must go on with the flow of life.